Hello there, my fellow classmates. I'm Ashton. You might not know me because I haven't talked to many of you because I'm socially inept. Anyways, to the topic, I will be teaching you all how to solder a wire. The first thing you're going to want to do after you have your piece of wire is remember to put that plastic bit around it. Trust me, it hurts inside when I forget that plastic bit. Next, you're going to tear off about 1 centimeter of plastic on each side of the wire using the appropriate tool. Next, you're going to want to fray the 2 exposed areas of cable so that it's easier to connect and twist. Next, you're going to grab your line of solder and dip it into that yellow stuff that kinda looks like cat puke until the tip is just covered, and rub that onto the exposed wire. Next, you're going to put the exposed wires onto the hot boy until the bronze becomes a silver. Next, you're going to want to slide that plastic bit up to the exposed wires. Now, grab the heat gun and heat the plastic until it starts hugging the wire. You'll notice glue coming on the outside. Now you're done. All that's left is to cut the wire and see how you did.